Hello, Tom and Melanie Kenny here again, coming to you with another Kenny's Climb video. We're in Acadia National Park and we're about to take the Beehive Trail. We're starting here on Sand Beach and then we go uphill. There are a few things that make this hike really unique. It's only about 2 miles round trip, but part of it in the middle, about 6/10 of a mile, is straight up the cliffs. So there are spots where you've got a steep rock wall on your left, about a 2 or 3 foot wide trail, then a steep drop off the cliff on your right. So it's supposed to be pretty scary. There are other parts where you have to climb up rung ladders that are built into the cliff. So it should be really cool.
Did you see that?
Making progress. Fun so far, but we haven't gotten to any of the rung ladders or the couple spots where they had to sort of build the pathway. Ah, piece of cake.
Couldn't tell my knees were shaking.
Now the fun starts. Bit of a log jam here. I think this is some of the stuff you can see from the beach. This is a good shot.
Yeah. That's all right.
Just stay left of the tree.
Yeah.
Go up.
Here, go up?
Yep.
Yeah, sure. We need a hand one right here.
Oh, yeah, we go up here. There's no good way to film this without a GoPro.
I feel like now don't have any way to put my
The steps are too long for Melanie, and it does take some upper body strength. The thing is, you really don't look down when you're climbing up. It does make it easy. Easier. More. Yeah, keep going.
It's okay. It's one of those.
Melanie says it's very scary right there, and she wouldn't take the camera to film me going up it. Oh, it almost looks easy now. Lots of people out here today. All right, we kind of thought this was the top, but there's more to go. But just a little rock scrambling through the trees. All the hard part's done. It just seems a little less impressive when you're up here with 50 people, maybe more. But it was really, really cool. I had a good time. I think Melanie struggled a little bit with short legs and long reaches.
Mm-hmm.
But and the rungs are actually kind of slick, but you're always looking up. Yeah, Melanie had the gloves. That
and
really helped her.
people commented that was a good idea.
Yeah. But since you're always looking up and not looking down, it took a little bit of the scariness out of it. There were just a couple spots where you really felt like you're on the edge. But otherwise, I give it a thumbs up. I liked it.
Yeah, I agree. I did it. Not gonna do it again.
But Melanie says she's glad she wore this bright yellow shirt so that you could either see her from here, or if she fell off and landed in the trees somewhere,
My mangled body would be.
we could locate her mangled body. Oh, what a thought.